In this video we will be sharing 7 nutrition and health benefits of okra. First of all, do you know what is okra? It is a flowering plant known for its edible seed pods. Okra is cultivated in warm and tropical climates, such as Africa and South Asia. Okra is generally used like a vegetable in cooking. It is frequently used in Southern American cuisine and a popular addition to soups. However, it has a slimy texture, which some people find unappealing. It is also referred to as lady finger. Okra comes in 2 colors, red and green. Both varieties taste the same, and the red one turns green when cooked. Although it is not one of the most common foods, okra is packed with many nutritions. Did you know that 1 cup, or 100 grams of raw okra, contains the following nutrients? 33 calories, 7 grams of carbs, 2 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber, 14% of magnesium, which is the daily amount required for the body, 15% of folate, 14% of vitamin A, 26% of vitamin C, 26% of vitamin K, no fat, and 14% of vitamin B6, which are all daily recommended for the body. Okra is an excellent source of vitamins C and K1. Vitamin C is a water-soluble nutrient that contributes to your overall immune function, while vitamin K1 is a fat-soluble vitamin that is known for its role in blood clotting. Consuming enough protein leads to the benefits for weight management, blood sugar control, bone structure, and more muscle. Okra is rich in many nutrients and particularly high in vitamins C and K. This fruit is special, as it provides protein, a nutrient that many other fruits and vegetables lack. It also contains beneficial antioxidants. Okra packs many antioxidants that benefit your overall health. Antioxidants are compounds in food that wards off damage from harmful molecules called free radicals. The main antioxidants in okra are polyphenols, including flavonoids and isoquercetin, as well as vitamins A and C. Polyphenols may also benefit brain health, due to their unique ability to enter your brain and protect against inflammation. These defense mechanisms may help protect your brain from symptoms of aging and improve cognition, learning, and memory. Okra is rich in antioxidants that may reduce your risk of serious diseases, prevent inflammation, and contribute to overall health. In particular, it contains polyphenols that may contribute to heart and brain health. One of the main causes of death worldwide is heart disease, which is associated with high cholesterol. This vegetable may lower the risk for heart disease and lower cholesterol levels. Okra contains a thick gel-like substance called mucilage, which can bind to cholesterol during digestion, causing it to be excreted with stools, rather than absorbed into your body. Another possible heart benefit of okra is its polyphenol content. A 4-year study in 1,100 people showed that those who ate a diet rich in polyphenols had a lower inflammatory rate associated with heart disease. Research suggests that okra may bind to cholesterol in your gut and lower blood cholesterol levels. It is also rich in polyphenols, which fight harmful inflammation and protect your heart. Okra contains a type of protein called lectin, which may inhibit the growth of human cancer cells. A test tube study in breast cancer cells found that the lectin in okra may prevent cancer cell growth by up to 63%. Keep in mind that these studies were performed in test tubes with concentrated and extracted components of okra. However, more human research is needed before any conclusions can be made. Okra contains a protein called lectin, which is being studied for its role in cancer prevention and treatment. If you are liking the video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Okra contains minerals that may lower blood sugar. Maintaining a healthy blood sugar level is very important for your overall health. Consistently high blood sugar can lead to prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. Research in mice indicates that eating okra, or okra extract, may help decrease blood sugar levels. In one study, rats given liquid sugar and purified okra experienced fewer blood sugar spikes than animals who was giving just sugar. Researchers suggested that the okra decreased sugar absorption in the digestive tract, leading to a more stable blood sugar response. With that said, okra may interfere with metformin, a common diabetes medication. Therefore, if you are taking this medication, you should avoid eating okra, as it is not recommended for those taking this drug. Okra is so beneficial for pregnant women as it is packed with folate. Folate, or vitamin B9, is an important nutrient for pregnant women, because it helps lower the risk of a neural tube defect, which affects the brain and spine of a developing fetus. It is recommended that all women of childbearing age should consume 400 milligrams of folate every day. A review that included 12,000 healthy adult women found that most consumed just 245 milligrams of folate per day, on average. Another study that followed 6,000 non-pregnant women over 5 years discovered that 23% of participants did not have enough folate concentrations in their blood. Okra is a good source of folate, with 1 cup or 100 grams providing 15% of a woman's daily needs for this nutrient. Okra is easy to add to your diet. Although okra may not be a staple in your kitchen, it's quite easy to cook. When purchasing okra, look for smooth and tender green pods without brown spots or dried ends. Store them in the fridge for up to 4 days before cooking. Usually, okra is used in soups and stews like gumbo. It contains mucilage, a thick substance that becomes gummy when heated. To avoid slimy okra, follow these simple cooking techniques. Cook okra at high heat. Avoid crowding your pot or skillet, as this will reduce the heat and cause sliminess. Pickling okra may reduce the slime factor. Cooking it in an acid like tomato sauce reduces the guminess. Simply slice and roast okra in your oven. Grill it until it's slightly charred. Our conclusion shows that okra is a nutritious food with many health benefits. It's rich in magnesium, folate, fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C, K1, and A. Okra may benefit pregnant women, heart health, and blood sugar control. It may even have anti-cancer properties. Cooking okra can be simple. So, add it to your grocery list to try a new ingredient with all these powerful health effects. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.